Here is a presentation for the 2020 to 2021 Environmental Engineering Senior Design Team. Our project is over the Banquetti Wastewater Treatment Plant Improvement Project. I'd like to introduce my team. I'm Jody Swampole, and I'm the team leader. Currently, I'm a senior from Corpus Christi, Texas. I choose to pursue environmental engineering to work towards my goal to research water quality in developing countries to help find a system to provide drinkable water.
Hi, I'm Andrea Gonzalez. I'm a senior from Port Lavaca, Texas, and I chose environmental engineering because I've always been interested in helping the environment, specifically ocean and coastal areas.
And I'm Brett Bettis. I'm a senior as well, and I'm from Corpus Christi. The reason I chose environmental engineering was to help make an impact in supplying clean drinking water to impoverished countries.
My name is Alberto Aguirre. I'm an environmental engineering student from Corpus Christi, Texas. This career is very exciting and interesting. That's why I choose this career.
For our project introduction, as a senior in environmental engineering, the students are required to participate in the senior design, where a team of students work together to solve a problem using their background environmental engineering knowledge they have gained.
Our client's problem at the Banquetti Wastewater Treatment Plant was they had aging manholes and cracked pipes, causing increase of wastewater flow throughout the city, and especially during rainfall that leads to overflow at the wastewater treatment plant. And our design approach was we identified the problem, we had objectives and constraints, and then we designed the project with function requirements, modeled, and then finally tested our design.
So one of the things that we're going to be doing is sewer pipe and manhole replacement, because they have collapsing pipes and manholes due to there being clay pipes and brick manholes. As you can see in the pictures, there's a loss of quantity of sewer throughout the Banquetti because of these clogged pipes or backed up manholes. On March 19, 2021, we performed a smoke test with Shoreline Plumbing. And what we did was the machine down at the bottom, we blew smoke into the manholes that went throughout the pipe system, and where we could see where it came out of homes or cracked pipes and other manholes.
In addition to the pipe replacement, we also want to add a retention pond. A retention pond is a man-made pond that is meant to collect and store water and provides a retention time to permanently hold storm water that will allow particles to settle. It will help control outflow to the creek and add storage of water for the plant. After the treatment process, the water is diverted with a decrease in elevation to the retention pond and will be distributed to the nearby creek at a design flow rate.
And a major part of this design project is the cost analysis aspect of it. The cost-benefit analysis are designed for evaluating and analyzing projects. The CBAs consider both qualitative and quantitative aspects for potential investors to consider, and CBAs are done prior to allocating funds for these projects. And an effective and thorough CBA will identify the purpose and goals behind the project.
The team fulfilled the objective of doing the smoke test. The necessary data was obtained. Next, the team will design the sewer pipeline, manholes, and retention pond. Also contact some companies to get cost estimate to do the construction.
We would like to acknowledge our professor, Dr. Ren, Juan Pimentel, Raul Salazar, Shoreline Plumbing, and thanks to Ricardo Garcia and the Reflex Me program.
By developing this project, the motivation towards research design is higher. At the same time, having done field work for this project taught me interesting things, and this will help me to continue grow as an environmental engineer.
The impact the pipe replacement would have on the community of Banquetti would be that the quality of wastewater that is discharged into the river would be greatly improved, because right now it's not too good of quality, but replacing the whole pipe from clay to PVC would help the cost decrease in the wastewater treatment plant and overall maintenance of the plant, because they are able to pump better and more quality water into the river system.
Throughout my studies here at Temuk, I've learned to use programs such as AutoCAD, SewerGIMS, and ArcGIS. I've practiced these programs throughout school to learn the basics, but this project got me a real understanding how to use these programs to their true potential, which was very helpful to create the retention pond. With this, I can gather dimensions to use in a real-life setting. I'm able to run simulations where I can test different alternatives or change a few variables to meet my goal.
Advice that I would give incoming students or freshmen is to get to know your peers and classmates, because you never know if they're going to be your group members later on, and also y'all could help each other out throughout y'all's college life. And another thing is to get to know your professors, because they could give you possible job opportunities or help you find job opportunities, as well as reference letters for the future. Thank you.